Well, good morning. Welcome to Peppermint Park here in Upper Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Now, we're going to be going for a little short walk today. It's just before 6 a.m. The sun's just beginning to rise, and there's supposed to be a pretty nice view from the top of this hill, at least relative to this region. So I've never been here, and it's just not going to be a long video. But let's walk through the field and see what the view looks like from the top of the hill. Thanks for joining me. All right, see you up ahead. Gator out. So yes, we are at the top of the hill here at Peppermint Park underneath this nice poplar tree. There's a little bench here, and it's a nice view. It's nice for this part of the state. I was hoping to catch a little bit better of a cloudscape and then in the sunrise here, but you know, you can't control that. So we'll continue the loop around and walk through the field. And yes, I wanted to fly the drone. I haven't flown it for a while. I thought this would be a good place to do it. So, all right guys, see you up ahead. Moral of the story today is get outside. Just go out there. It doesn't have to be a 30-mile hike like I did in my last video. You can find local parks like this within a short drive of probably wherever you live. And now would I go out of my way to come to this place again? No. But if I was in the area, it's a nice place to catch a sunrise or just walk through a nice field. There'll be different flowers blooming at different times of the year. There's lots of bird life. We've seen some deer. You're likely to see fox, rabbit, you know, other critters. So, you know, just get outside and enjoy this world around us, because it's beautiful and it'll make your day. This is a great way to start the day. And thanks for joining me here. I do appreciate you.